Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another onesie for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What do you got planned for this one? A pleated onesie? I don't know if we've ever done a horizontally pleated onesie. So that'll be neat. Matter of fact, I have on a horizontally pleated shirt right now. Crazily enough, the shirt I have on has since become like, it's gotten a lot of views and been one of our more popular ones. But it was one of our very first, at least first we ever did on camera. Nice little 6-month, 100% cotton onesie. Gonna throw some bands on it. And this is probably gonna be our last one for today. We're gonna do some more this week, but today is just too cold, so. Hey, at least we still came out and dyed. Did some interesting stuff.
The intricacy of the last one should suffice for the simplicity of this one.
You gotta make sure it hit all demographics. A lot of people want to watch the quick ones. They don't want to see the intricate stuff. They'll watch the rinse and reveal, but they don't want to see how it's done.
Okay.
So maybe one more, yeah. We're in a hurry, but we're not in that much of a hurry. To the dyeing rack?
To the dyeing rack.
So you just slide it down. Time for the color. The pretty colors. So we have some hot pink. Deep orange. Citrus yellow. Lemon yellow. One day I'll get it right.
Limon is in the big one.
Lime pop. She's gonna go with the glacier or the lavender? The glacier. So.
And wait, hold on. I'm trying to get them all on here, Daddy. Don't rush me.
Wow, I might have been wrong. Look at that. Touch of lav for the end. So, all told on this one, we have hot pink, deep orange, lemon yellow, lime pop, glacier blue, and lavender. Time for the flop.
He doesn't need much of a backside, maybe
just a little, a little sprinklage.
hot pink, deep orange.
A little bit of lavender, a little bit of blue. He'll be ready to roll, right? A little bit of lime pop. Yep. A little bit of lime pop. Great glacier.
I hate these gloves.
I know.
They're too big.
The babe just has small hands. They're a little big on me, and large gloves normally fit me great, but those are even big on me. They're more like XLs, but it's all they had. And the lavender. To the drying rack. Of course. These with some nice colored edges. To the dyeing rack we go. or sorry, to the drying rack we go.
I'm gonna just run with him.
All right,
You gotta follow me.
let's go.
Run.
Oh, I got caught on the fence.
All
And
right.
there it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.